I want to ask you something. Rote Kai Ko Hum is a big hit.
That's my
favorite song.
Because you can sing it on stage.
There is a problem here. एक जो हीरो है उसने ill fitting कपड़े पहने हुए हैं. जो हीरोइन है वो एक ऑरेंज चीज में what is it called? Overcoat कहते हैं आप उसे. You call that monstrosity an overcoat? Okay. एक नॉन डांसिंग डायरेक्टर और लिरिसिस्ट ने उसे कोरियोग्राफ किया है, ठीक है? How is this song so good? कैसे? How do you explain it?
Unlike most of the songs, it's a communication between two people. They're talking. You know, they're walking and they're talking. It's not they're singing to each other. They're talking to each other. He's convincing her about something, and she's getting convinced about something.
Why ऐसा why वैसा क्यों होता? यूँ होता तो क्या होता? जो होता है वो होता.
इसमें एक
I love that bit where you all are standing at least 20 feet apart and you're doing आप ये कर रहे हैं. They're close dancing 20 feet away from each other. I think it's a beautiful visual. The close dancing is seeming a little too early and too forward. Very, very cute with Siddharth. When she comes up like, all right, and he just goes, hold my hand and we'll do something else. It's that kind of, let's see how it plays out.
Yeah.
सांसों का किस्सा
कितना है हिस्सा don't turn and go away like that. It's a bit awkward. So then कितना है हिस्सा सोच लो.
चार पल का है सांसों का किस्सा कितना है हिस्सा इसमें आंसुओं का सोच लो तुम. रोते काय को हम है रोते काय को हम.
Yeah. Super. Immediately one more. Very good. Very good.
I think you should take over as choreographer. आप में है एक आदमी
ना.
I'll tell you, Cry. There was a lot of stuff that he choreographed.
As you are walking, both of you sir, both do it together. Then you come on and do the Rote Kai Ko. So as he's coming, both of you do that once together.
Then I'm here and she's there.
Over there, and then you come. The thing is, I see Siddharth as a bad dancer. So if I have to show bad dancing steps, तो अगर बुरा डांस करना है तो एक बुरे डांसर से बेटर कौन है वो स्टेप्स दिखाने को. That was my entire reasoning. हाँ, so we were a fantastic partnership. मैं बुरे स्टेप दिखाई जा रहा था and John, freed from the pressure of good dancing, is imitating them perfectly.
क्या बुरा डांसिंग किया
हमने सर, माइंड ब्लोइंग. ये कभी-कभी सारा डायनामिक अपसेट कर रही थी, कुछ ढंग के स्टेप्स करती थी तो हम लोग दोनों करके दिखाते थे कि ऐसे करो बुरा डांसिंग. ये हमारे लेवल पे आके करो. क्या है ये?
Okay, play back.
Action.
तेरे ठीक लगती है क्यों हमारी जगती है हम क्यों हमारे बीती बातों को.
Bipasha's seen all my films और पहली बार she saw the promo of Cry Cry and the promo of the film. She's saying this is the first director who has broken you down and made you perform.
I wanted to communicate the fact that they don't suddenly turn into superb dancers. That they would just do a jig. There's a phrase, doing a little jig. That song, you didn't need a choreographer, you still needed a director.
You needed a choreographer, my friend. I'll tell you why. There is this step in which he goes, fly, fly.
Hey, come on, I think
Everyone loves it.
For this song, and I think
listen, that is the reason girls want to marry him now.
That's true, actually.
John,
I would say that, yeah.
What is that?
Fly, fly, baby, fly. देखें उड़ के, देखें बादल से जुड़ के, देखें फिर ना मुड़ मुड़ के.
I think that was brilliant.
Very cute. I think the whole song.
My favorite.
Do a fly, fly. Do a fly, fly.
And then, no. It's not just this. He's saying fly, fly, and then she's walking away. He's catching up with her.
Yeah. Yeah, he's flying faster to get to her. You're coming back and she's going away.
Fly, fly, baby, fly. देखें उड़ के, देखें बादल से जुड़ के, देखें फिर ना मुड़
every time John wants to go back home very quickly. He look at my take and say, mind blowing, really good. It's a good take.